Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Prajakta Limbasarkar. I work as an application engineer with Beacon. In this video, I'm going to get you through consumer product design using SolidWorks. Consumer products are the goods that are brought for consumption by consumer. Here are some examples like perfume bottle, headphones, water jug, hair dryer, chair, wristwatch, etc. Consumer product design industry faces many unique challenges, starting from converting concept sketch design to the part model, design mold, documentation, durability, sustainability, lastly creating aesthetically pleasing products. So let us see how SolidWorks will help to tackle these challenges. It is possible to import napkin sketches in SolidWorks, like you can see the knife handle images. Using an image as a guide, ensure your 3D model is true to the original design. Making use of symmetry will save half of the time. Building complex geometry requires a comprehensive set of surface creation and editing tools, a sweep for example. To carry a belly shape along the knife handle, a nice fluid tool called Freeform can be used. The aesthetic design of the product is now completed. We can start to add some manufacturing details. This solid model of the design can be split into individual components and can be saved separately as a part. Style splines based on Bezier curves are a good option when it is important to have a smooth curve. And the conic tools lets you sketch conic curves driven by endpoints and row values. Effortlessly drag and drop the appearance and find out how your model reacts or reflects the light. SolidWorks 3D CAD allows product designers and mold maker to easily amend their design at any stage from development to manufacture. We can use these mold tools to analyze and correct deficiencies with either SolidWorks or imported models of parts to be molded. SolidWorks offers comprehensive tools for design validation purpose. Using SolidWorks Plastic, analyzing the injection molding defects in plastic parts is much simpler. Easy to define the injection location and polymer. SolidWorks Plastic will calculate the plastic filling process to provide you the fill times, cooling time, sink marks, etc. Thus enabling to predict and avoid defects at a very early stage. SolidWorks Simulation is an FEA tool using which we can solve complex physics of falling component using drop test. Here in SolidWorks, readily we can define the drop height and flow rigidness. SolidWorks Simulation then solves the study to provide us with accurate results such as stress, displacement, etc. Also, these results can then be saved and shared as animation video file, a Word document file, or an e-drawing file. Finally, visualization is crucial to convey your design ideas to end users. Having realistic interactive display lets you try out many different materials and finishes and react to the customer changes quickly before committing to the final design. Bring your product to life, create interactive VR when still images are not enough, and give your customers more interactive experience with your products, increasing chance to purchase. Customers like Domotech Appliances and Coffee Day speed up their design, development and manufacturing process by utilizing every powerful functionality of SolidWorks. This has changed the way people see to their products. I hope you found the valuable resources. To find out more information on how SolidWorks can help you overcome your consumer product design challenges, please write us on below email ID. Thank you and goodbye.